Welcome. Today we will be going through question 4 of the Cayley Olympiad 2017. The point X lies inside the square ABCD and the point Y lies outside the square in such a way that triangles XAB and YAD are both equilateral. Prove that XY equals AC. Please pause the video here and have a think about the problem on your own before proceeding to the hints and solutions. Hint number 1. Draw a diagram to help you. Hint number 2. Pythagoras' theorem could help. Hint number 3. Think about the position of the triangle YAD in terms of the triangle XAB. Hint number 4. Draw in all the angles in the diagram. Solution. Let the side length of the square be S. Then, since both triangles share a side with the square, they are congruent with a side length of S. Now consider angle YAX. Angle YAD equals 60 degrees, and angle DAX equals 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 30 degrees. Hence, angle YAX equals 90 degrees. Then we find that triangles YAX equals ABC are congruent, as YA equals AB equals S, AX equals BC equals X, and the angle between the sides, angle YAX and angle ABC, are both equal. They're both 90 degrees. Therefore, YX equals AC as required, because they are both the hypotenuses of congruent triangles. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to drop a comment in the comments down below. Goodbye.